Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve this sliding block puzzle, and the object is to move this red block down into this bottom section here, and you can only do that by sliding the blocks around to allow the red block to move slowly down through the puzzle into this bottom section. So I'm going to show you how to do that step by step and go through slowly so it's easy for you to follow along with all the steps to solve this puzzle. So the first step is to move this blue one out of the way and put it down in the bottom corner, and we do that by moving these pieces like that. We need to put those two blue ones together. We do that to there and down and down and down like so. Move that sliding blue piece out of the way and move that up and up. And now the two vertical blue pieces are together, and we'll move that yellow one down like so, and there's that horizontal blue coming slowly down and across with the yellow and across with the yellow, up with the blue, up with the blue, across with the yellow, across with the yellow, and then down with the blue, and the blue now is in position. So I'll move the yellow across like so. Move the blue across, and the blue down like so. And the red, move the red for the first time across to the right, blue to the right, and yellow, and across with the blue, down with the blue, and back again with the red. We've got those two yellows in position now. Up with the blue, across with the red, and up with those two yellow pieces. And we're moving the bottom horizontal blue across to the right, and down once and down twice, and move across there with that yellow, and move the red down one, and the top across, put the three yellows up the top, yes, and then up with the blue, across with that blue, and then down with that yellow. Move the red again, getting closer to the finishing position, yellow across, blue across, and blue up like so, and red across, and then down with one of the yellows, and down to there with those two yellows like so, up with the blue, up with that blue, and down with the yellow, down with the yellow, and across with the red, and down with the blue, and across with the blue, across with the two yellows, and blue, and across once more with the red, and down like so, and across, and then moving those two across like so, and up with the red, up with the blue, down, and down with the yellow, and then suddenly we've got all those blue ones up the top, and we just need to move this blue horizontal up to this middle row, and so down with the red, across with the yellow, up with the blue, and across with the yellow like so, and then suddenly the red has been slid into position and the puzzle has been solved. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.